Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you the technique. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square in the both sides. Next, we put this one on the left, u square on the right. Next, we put the power number 3 in the both sides. Next, we do first the derivative of this one. Next, we need to change the boundary. If s equals to number 0, so u should be about number 1, because we put the value of s in here, so we can find the value of u. If s equals to number 1, so u should be about number 0. Number 0 we change for number 1, and number 1 we change for number 0. This one we change for u. The s we change for this one. We have number 3 multiplied with negative number 2. We got about negative number 6. Because number 1 is bigger than number 0 in here, and we have the negative side, we can swap the top and the bottom together, and this one we change for the positive. This one you got about u square. Next, we need to expand this one. Next, u square multiply with number 1, 2u square, and u to the power of 4. And now we got the final answer. We put number 1 go in here, then number 0 go in here. So we got about 16 over 35. That's the end. Thank you for watching.